Ito yung madalas tanongin ng mga kliyente ko. Parang ang layo ng Nuvali. Yes, a little outside the city pero kapalit naman ay less noise, less stress, more space, and fresh air. Probinsya vibes ba? Exactly. Peaceful surroundings without giving up convenience. Then andyan yung mga malls, schools, cafes, lifestyle hubs, at marami pang iba. Mas mahal ba? It's not just a price, it's value lifestyle, environment, and long-term appreciation. Traffic ba papunta dyan? Well, peak hours happen anywhere, but traffic feels different when you're heading somewhere that upgrades your life. So maybe the real question is not malayo ba, but worth it ba ang daily mo ngayon? So if you're interested to invest here in Nuvali, send me a message to my Viber, WhatsApp, 0927-378-0178. I'm Jenny Lindeligos, the Elegance Estate, turning your property goals into reality.